In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your email address on chess.com. Whether you're switching to a new inbox or just keeping your account details up to date, this quick walkthrough will make the process smooth and secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to chess.com. For this to work, you'll need to be signed into your account since email changes are an account level setting. Once you're on the site, look toward the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see the settings icon, usually shown as a small gear. Click that to open your settings menu. Inside settings, select the account section. This is where chess.com stores important details tied to your profile. Scroll down until you reach the contact info area. This section controls the email address associated with your account and where you'll receive important updates, security alerts, and notifications. Click the edit button next to contact info. Before you can make changes, chess.com will ask you to type your password. This is a standard security step to confirm it's really you making the change. Enter your password carefully and consider using your password manager if you have one. Next, type in your new email address. Use an email you check regularly and make sure you have ongoing access to it. This address will be used for account recovery and important messages, so accuracy is crucial. Now retype the same email in the confirmation field. This second entry helps catch typos, so take a moment to double check spelling, the domain, and any dots or dashes. When everything looks correct, click Save. If the Save button isn't available, it usually means the two email entries don't match or the password field is blank. Correct any issues, then try again. After you save, your new email is set on your account. In some cases, you may see a prompt to verify the change. If so, just follow the on-screen instructions provided by chess.com. That's it, done. You've successfully updated your email address on chess.com. As a quick recap, go to chess.com, open settings from the bottom left, choose account, scroll to contact info, click edit, enter your password, type and retype your new email, and click save. A couple of helpful tips before we wrap up. Pick an email you'll keep long term and avoid copy-pasting the address if you're prone to bringing over extra spaces. Typing it carefully can prevent errors. If you don't remember your password, use the standard recovery option from the login page before you start this process.